In this video, we're going to be talking about Fifth Third application not working and how you can simply go ahead and fix the login issues. So let's just talk about a couple of general troubleshooting steps you can do first. So first things first, I would like to request you to restart your device. A simple power off and can also resolve many temporary software glitches. The second, I want you to go ahead and check your internet connection by switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. You could also turn on and turn off the airplane mode in order to go ahead and reset your Wi-Fi. Also, go ahead and verify the bank maintenance. The bank system may be down for maintenance, which often happens late at night. Also, go ahead and update the application if it is not updated. And finally, go ahead and try to restart or reinstall your application. It is as simple as that. When you have a problem when it comes to login and credential issues, if you forgot the password, simply click on Forgot Login and simply go ahead and follow the prompts on the screen. However, if your account is locked out, what you need to do is simply go ahead and call their support right over here. And that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.